In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a bank receipt in Kloud. In order to create this, we will first navigate to the Accounts and Finance module. We will then open the transaction and then click on a bank receipt. A bank receipt is a document that an issuer company issues when a debtor makes a payment in its favor. To enter details for your bank receipt, click on the Annuit button. After that, the bank receipt page will be opened. Now, click on the account field of the creditor and press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the account ID or account name. Next, click on the narration. The narration option defines the objective for which the payment is being received. Further, click on the account ID of the receiver and then press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear where you must select the account ID or account name. Here, all the details regarding the account data will be displayed. Next, enter the for credit amount. The amount will be automatically shown on the net amount and base credit columns. In the further step, you must enter the lot number. In my case, I have entered NA because the bank receipt is not linked with any lot number. Further, click on the Split Business Area button. A pop-up will appear where you must click on the business area name and press the F2 button to select the business area name. The same process has to be followed for the business module. Finally, enter the amount and click on the Submit button. Further, click on the Adjustment button, after which a pop-up will appear. Now you have to select the method and enter the reference, amount, get automated credit, and also enter the due date. Now click on the Submit button. At last, saving all the above-mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our bank receipt. You can now find the bank receipt by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Furthermore, if you wish to revise your bank payment, click on the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record saved successfully.